In this tutorial, I'll show you how to subtract numbers in Notion using a formula. This is useful for calculating profit, expenses, budgets, or any other values that require subtraction. Let's get started. Open your Notion database and make sure you have two number properties. For example, you might have one called sales and another called cost. Next, click the plus button to add a new property and choose formula. In the formula editor, enter the following formula: prop sales prop cost. Replace sales and cost with the names of your own number properties if they are different. Click done, and Notion will automatically subtract the cost from the sales for every row in your database. Whenever you update either number, the result updates automatically. You can use the same method for any calculation, such as subtracting expenses from income, completed tasks from total tasks, or inventory sold from inventory received. That's how to subtract numbers in Notion. Thanks for watching.